Whether you're already a grill master or a novice, a pellet grill is a great addition to your backyard barbecue setup. Unlike gas or charcoal grills, pellet grills, as their name suggests, burn wood pellets, infusing your food with a smoky flavor. The best pellet grills are easy to use and create delicious flavors with consistent results, says Joe Downey, Senior Merchant of Grills at Home Depot. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 pellet grills on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Pit Boss PB440D2 Wood Pellet Grill. The Pit Boss Wood Pellet Grill 440 series is the best pellet grill for those looking for a budget-friendly option. This pellet grill has an leg digital control board so you can keep an eye on what you're smoking, and a dial-in temperature control knob that cooks at temperatures as low as 150 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This pellet smoker has a total cooking area of 465 square inches, with an upper rack that is 124 square inches and main rack that is 341 square inches. It's a great grill for those who like to entertain outdoors because it fits up to 20 hamburgers or 4 full racks of ribs at a time. In order to get an even, consistent, and indirect heat while grilling, this grill uses a fan-forced convection that keeps the smoke circulating and keeps temperatures consistent. Warranty: 5-year limited warranty, hopper capacity, 5 pounds. Number 2. Traeger Ironwood Wood Pellet Grill. The Traeger Ironwood is our pick for the best pellet grill overall because it comes with all of the features that make grilling and smoking an easy and pleasant experience, whether you're a novice or a grill expert. The Traeger Ironwood has technology that connects to your smartphone and lets you control your grill and check on your food, so you can enjoy your get-togethers without constantly checking on your food's progress. With 616 square inches of cooking space, this grill can fit up to 4 chickens, 8 rib racks, or 4 pork butts. The Ironwood also comes with Super Smoke mode that keeps fresh smoke flowing as it cooks your food. It also has a large hopper that holds up to 22 pounds of hardwood pellets. The pellet ash, as well as any other drippings, is also easy to clean up, with the Easy Clean grease and ash keg collects waste and can be easily changed. Number 3. Traeger Grills Tailgater Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. The Traeger Tailgater is our pick for the best pellet grill with the ability to move wherever you do. For a portable grill, the Traeger Tailgater boasts a 300-inch 2 cooking space, which fits up to 12 burgers, 2 chickens, or 3 rib racks, plenty for a tailgate with friends. If you're not a tailgater, it's also ideal for a small family that doesn't need a whole ton of cooking space. It also has 6-in-1 versatility, so you can do more than just smoke and grill on it. This grill has foldable legs, so it can either be set up on your tailgate without them, or standing up. Because it's portable, this grill saves space with its hopper capacity. Whereas the other Traeger pellet grills on this list have capacities of up to 22 pounds, this pellet grill only has a capacity of 8 pounds. Warranty: 10-year limited warranty, hopper capacity, 8 pounds. Number 4. Weber Smoke Fire Wood-Fired Pellet Grill. With 1,008 square inches of cooking space, that's enough to fit 20 burgers. The Weber Smoke Fire EX6 is our pick for the best pellet grill with a large capacity. On top of its large cooking space, it also holds up to 20 pounds of hardwood pellets, so it doesn't require constant refilling. It also has a smoke boost, which allows you to increase the smoky taste pellet grills are known for, and it has a cooking range of 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It connects to Wi-Fi so that you can get notifications about your food straight to your phone. Set timers, get notifications that your food is ready to be flipped, and control the temperature from your smartphone. Keep in mind that having a large capacity grill means you might be giving up some precious space in your backyard. At 55 inches long, 47 inches high, and 33 inches deep, this grill will take up quite a bit of space. Number 5. Camp Chef 36 inches Wi-Fi Woodwind Pellet Grill and Smoker. The Camp Chef Woodwind Pellet Grill can be controlled over Wi-Fi with your smartphone. Once you download the Camp Chef Connect app, you can set timers, change the temperature, and get notified when your meat has reached your preferred temperature. You can also customize your smoke number, deciding for yourself the right amount of flavor you'd like to add. The Wi-Fi line is weather resistant and includes 4 ports so that you can plug in temperature probes. This grill has a sliding heat deflector plate that allows you to flame broil your food in seconds, adding a crispy crust to your meats before you serve them. It's also versatile when it comes to the number of things that can be cooked on this pellet grill. With 2 racks, this pellet grill has a total surface area of 1,236 square feet. Cooking area, 1,236 square inches. Warranty, 6-year limited warranty. Hopper capacity, 22 pounds. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.